Hello, today I am going to show you how you can create your Linktree account. So you just find on Google Linktr.ee. Okay, so click on this and you'll be directed to this page. So get started for free, click that. Then you will be able to create your free account. So you just put in your email, and your username, you click it, you choose any username that you want, you can type it there. Yeah, so it's up to you. Or is this already taken? So okay, so we choose this one, easier. So it has the link tree in front of your username. Then you can just choose any password. You can suggest strong password. I've already have my own password, so you click create account, agree to the terms and conditions, sign up. Then you'll be asked a few things to confirm. So confirm your full name, yeah, and choose 3 categories that best describe your Linktree. What is it for? So maybe I want to use it for education, I want to use it for what else I want to use it for? Personal, probably, and up to you. If you're in business professional, so you can choose that and click you're not a robot, then continue. Then you can pick your plan. A pro plan will cost you $6 a month. I just want to stick to free for now, and it's free forever. And you can see the differences and sign up. Yeah, you have signed up. Now you continue to your Linktree and create your links. So this is how it looks like. It's so easy to use. You can see here, add new link. You can just create that. And I just want to show you this one. It looks like your mobile phone. So this is how it will look like on a mobile device. And it's supposed to be your profile picture and your username. We'll see how we can customize that later. Now we want to add link. So you just click this, add new link. Then you can have your title here. So for example, you want to put your website here. You can create the title, website, or any name that you want to put there. And the URL for your website. All right. And don't forget to click this. And usually it's automatic green, so it's okay. And click out of the box and it will generate for you. Don't forget to verify your email address later, so I'll do that later. So you want to add another link, then you can have another link. Maybe this link is if you have a YouTube channel, then you can put there. So you can copy paste the URL of your channel or any links that you want to put here. And for YouTube, they will ask you video options, so you can link off to YouTube site. This is free. If you want to choose the video or you want to display the video here on the Linktree account, you need to pay for the plan. Or you can ask visitors to subscribe, so you can click that, and then there it is. So I don't know what happened to this. Maybe we can recheck that. Yes. So whatever links you create here will appear here. So this is how it will look like to other people. So you can add as many links as you want and it will arrange here. And if you want to arrange the order of the links, you want the website to be the first thing that the visitors see. So you can just drag it. Click the 3 dots here and drag it up. Or you can put it down, drag it down, drag up. So it's easy. So now you know how to create your link. You just add new link. This one is if you want to add music link, a request link, add support me link, or a header. So you can group your links. Look at the buttons up here, and you see this is where you create your link. And the second button is appearance. So let's change the appearance. You might not like this appearance, so you can actually use the themes to make it different, or you can create your own. However, you need to pay for that. And you can see there are some themes that are in the pro plan. The free ones you can choose, the one without the pro label, so you can change to this one. Once you click this, it will appear here, or I kind of like this one, smoke, so it will change the appearance here. If you want to customize the background or buttons, you can if you are in the pro plan. All right. And next, I want to show you how you can pick. You can have your image. You can design with Canva. You can explore this. It's quite easy. Maybe you want to add in to your tagline, so you can design with Canva. When you click that, it will go straight to Canva, and you can choose several templates for that. For now, I just want to show how you can upload your own image. Maybe you have a logo that you want to upload, or just a picture of yourself. So you can choose any photo that you want to include in that account. Don't forget to save and upload, and it will automatically change here. All right, and you can see the difference here. And if you want to change this file name, you want to put in your name of the company, yeah, you can. Up to you. So you can just type in something like that, and it will change here. So it's really up to you what you want to put. And your biodata, maybe you're a professional coach or a certified professional coach, life coach. Up to you what you want to put here. There's a limit here, 80 characters. So once you have typed that, it will appear here. So whatever you type here will appear here, and then your links. Okay, so that is how you customize the appearance. Then go back to the button here, and you click settings. Another feature that you can add is the social links. There's a support banner that you can choose from, or mailing list integration. So this is a support banner. You can read this and see if you want to activate that, or if you have mailing list integration, you have MailChimp or something, you can do that email sign up here, and also SMS sign up if you want to. Commerce integration as well. You want to add a payment provider. Okay, you can explore that. Sensitive material, maybe they watch this before they go to view your profile, you can also activate this if you want. What I want to show you now is the social links that you can include. So not just the links like this, you can also come up with icons that people can click, and they will be directed to the social links that you've shared, include in your Linktree account. So first of all, you can choose the position. You want it to be at the bottom or at the top. So I usually like top. So you just click top. And if you want people to straight away email you for any questions, so you just include your email in that. So you just type in your email address, click away, and it will appear here, the icon for email. So when people click this, they will be directed to the email, and they can send you email. or you want to include your Facebook URL, your page, you can just copy paste your URL and it will appear here, the icon for Facebook. So when they click this, they will be directed to your page. Or if you have your Twitter handle, and you can just put in your Twitter handle and it will appear here as well. Instagram is the same. Just put in your username and it will appear here for people to click. YouTube, if you do not want it to be like this, or you want to emphasize with another icon here, you can do so. Just copy paste the URL and they can be directed to your YouTube channel. So it will appear here. So you can add in as many as you can. So your LinkedIn, you can edit here and it will appear here as well. LinkedIn, right? You want to include your WhatsApp or Telegram, up to you. Pinterest, you can also. TikTok, if you are in TikTok. And there are other things that you can choose here, even payment. And if you have an Etsy shop, then you can include that here. And it will arrange the icons automatically here. Also, if you do not want it to be on the top, like I said, you can choose the position to bottom, so it will go down. However, if you have many links here, then it will be very difficult for people to scroll down and try to find the icon. So I prefer it to be on the top. So it's up to you. So whenever you want to make changes to your Linktree account, you just go to the website, the page, Linktree, sign in to your account and just make the changes here. When you want to share this to people or on your social media platform, then you can look at the link here. There's a share button here. Click that. And you can straight away add into all the social media platform. Yeah. So for example, you add to LinkedIn profile. So you can just copy the URL, okay? Or you can click here and it will straight away share to LinkedIn and Twitter or WhatsApp, really up to you. And you can also download the QR code. Okay, here's your unique Linktree QR code. When they scan it, they will be directed to your link. Or you can just copy the URL. You just copy and then just paste, especially to Instagram. Put it in your biodata, your profile. Okay, so people can browse through the link that you have included, and they can just click it and they can be directed to any page or social media platforms that you want them to go to. So for example, you post something on or maybe you upload a video on self-empowerment and you want people to view it, so you can include that in your Instagram post. Then you can just say linked in bio. It's actually the only link that you can pass here, only one link, so you can use Linktree to include probably coaching video here. So if you want to make changes, don't forget, go to the links here, click links, and you can change anytime. Okay, you can name the video here, videos on coaching or travel videos. So you can copy paste the exact URL here and it will automatically change there.